Hello everyone, welcome to Yummy's kitchen today. In this video, we'll be making very simple and delicious chicken fry. Let's get started. The ingredients you need are tomato 1 big, chicken 400 grams, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half spoon, oil 2 spoon, ginger garlic paste 1 spoon. Now let's get started. Add ginger garlic paste in a pan and then add turmeric powder, red chili powder, the sliced tomatoes and mix them all together. And then add the 400 grams chicken. Now add some oil and also some salt if you prefer. Marinate them well. Close the pan and light the gas. You can see after few minutes, the water starts retaining on the top. And later on, the chicken will be slightly cooked. Take it and keep it aside. Now take a pan and add some oil and add curry leaves to it and saute them. And now add the slightly cooked chicken. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see the chicken is properly fried and cooked. Top them up with some coriander leaves and then it's ready to serve. Serve this along with biryani or raita or any other sauce that you prefer. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe and also let us know in the comments if you would like us to make any other videos in the future. Thank you for watching.